Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network, Pioneering Pathways. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer keeping and storing my assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out if you're interested. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XPR at the time of the recording, guys. So this is XPR. The price is up 1.79% for the day. It went as low as 0.001043, as high as almost 0.0012. Okay, so this is the last 7-day chart. If you look at the daily chart, guys, it is down 3.96%. If you look at the daily, so yeah. If you look at the monthly over here, it is down 0.29%. But guys, it is basically testing this monthly support over here, 0.0012. It went down and broke through this support line all the way to 0.000986, but came back up to this attraction point of 0.0012. The entire market, aside from a few handful of coins that I know of, guys, has had to go through a bloodbath. XPR wasn't any different. It went down from 0.0015 all the way to 0.00099. It added that zero for a moment there, but guys, overall, XPR is still in the green if you bought it earlier over here, 0.0006 mark or 0.000812. We've been talking about it since a while now, and it is also testing this early support area over here. So I think this is a crucial support. If this remains intact, then we're all good, because slowly and gradually the price will lift itself up and go on towards testing these resistance lines over here. But we have to be hopeful that this support line remains intact. If we look at the all-time chart, guys, it is down 98.25% in the all-time chart. So obviously, guys, way too undervalued for what it can provide in the long run. So a win-win situation, if you ask me, but obviously not financial advice, because anything can happen in crypto. It can even go to zero. Any project can go to zero. So you have to invest with that mindset that you should be willing to lose what you invest, guys. So that is the motto. Anyways, guys, let me share with you this interesting article over here from Nasdaq.com, published September 21, 2023. Pioneering new integrated pathways for crypto transactions, guys. So we'll look into this article in a bit detail, but you have to check out yourselves. You have to read this out yourselves as well. Check this out. Regardless of the volatility of the cryptocurrencies, the long-term trend driven by technology and the continuing perceived weakness of banking system. Keyword: weakness of banking system. It has existed since a very long time now, guys. Is still in a place for a substantial acceptance and usage of crypto across many different applications in everyday life. Blockchain technology is inexorably moving crypto forward by plugging in and integrating cryptocurrency transactions into the mainstream of the financial world. So, which of these sectors, guys? Banking, corporate sector, retirement, with bank level security. And here, MetalPay, a leading crypto app and exchange, is an excellent example of how blockchain technology is bridging the world of crypto and finance through continuous development and innovation. So basically, they reached out to Marshall Hayner, the founder and CEO, and Irina Burkon, board member and CFO of Metallicus, the San Francisco-based fintech company that created MetalPay and is building the world's most check this out, guys, most customer-centric digital asset banking network supporting retail and corporate clients by providing global access between traditional banking and digital assets. These are some solid words over here, guys. Customer centric, digital asset banking network, guys. So basically, they're not just creating a simple blockchain over here, guys. They're creating an entire network, an entire infrastructure for banking, for customers, for corporations. So this is awesome, guys. Let us now look into this interview. This is a really good interview over here. You have to read this in details yourself. Anyways, Hortz, what exactly is MetalPay and what does it represent in the world of crypto and finance? Birkin, MetalPay is an elegantly designed crypto payments platform designed with the concept of making cryptocurrency simple and easy to use. And we're far from it being easy to use, guys. If you ask a non-crypto user and you try explaining him or her in the very first instance that what is crypto, what is payments, how does crypto work basically, he'd get confused. He or she will get confused. You and I also were confused initially when you used Trust Wallet or you used a DeFi wallet. I mean, it was really tough, and you're skeptical. You cannot trust that easily. So obviously, we need to make this space easy to use. Our vision at Metallicus for MetalPay is not only for consumers, but also to expand into corporate and enterprise arena with a cohesive integrated platform. Guys, let me share one thing with you guys. Well, I've told you time and again, I've reiterated it time and again that the initial pumps that have happened in crypto are via the retail money. Most of the pumps have happened due to retail money. We are yet to witness the true potential of when the institutional money comes to this space. And the institutional money will come into some mature projects. The projects that can deliver have real world use case like XDC network and these other projects that we time and again talk about, transforming something like transforming trade finance, XPR transforming, trying to transform the banking sector. So yeah, Hainer, the latest update, MetalPay 3.0, integrates our decentralized exchange MetalX, which is under the hood to allow for a robust trading engine that never goes offline. This is very huge trading engine that never goes offline. Awesome. What have been the greatest challenges you worked through in building your front end app and back end exchange? At Metallicus, regulatory compliance has always been one of our highest priorities. Guys, regulatory compliance is the need of the hour. It differentiates a good project from the ones that won't survive. I mean, there are a lot of projects that might be doing good at the moment, but it will take only a moment, one crackdown for it to all go to zero. I mean, seriously. Maintaining compliance in a dynamic environment while maximizing user experience is a tightrope. It is difficult, obviously, it is difficult, but it is the need of the hour, like they say. Birkin, integrating our decentralized exchange MetalX into the MetalPay backend was a big lift that we are proud of. As the crypto landscape rapidly evolved, we felt it was important to embrace decentralization while removing all dependencies of any risky third parties. Most of the time, guys, when a project relies on third parties, which example should I give? Okay, so we'll take the example of Alliance Block NXRA. You remember the bonk hack that happened? I mean, NXRA ALBT did not get hacked. Their contracts did not get hacked, but the third party involved, bonk, got hacked, and basically it caused a bloodbath in the NXRA chart. So yeah. Anyways, Horst, can you give us a look under the hood and explain what you are doing with blockchain technology to integrate crypto to the greater financial world? So, how would this integration between crypto and traditional world happen? Birkin, we offer products for everyone, no matter where they are in their crypto journey. MetalPay is a fiat ramp trading payments and custody platform that is easy for any crypto knowledge level. So if you want to use it at a beginner level, or you're advanced in crypto knowledge, you can use it. We have a non-custodial crypto wallet called WEBAUTH wallet. This is a crypto wallet where users self-custody and can use dApps, decentralized applications, on the XPR network, Metal blockchain, and soon Ethereum, Dogecoin, Avalanche, and Bitcoin with web authentication. Cool. As far as Marshall is concerned, at Metallicus, we recognize that the future of blockchains will be connected by banks and fintechs through a myriad of compliant stablecoins. Myriad means multiple, guys. Multiple of compliant stablecoins. For that reason, we built a risk-weighted stablecoin basket we call Metal Dollar. XMD. So basically, guys, Metallicus is trying to create an ecosystem which is self-reliant. Although they have been criticized for the increase in supply and everything, but what they want to do is they want to use those funds and create an infrastructure and an ecosystem that is self-reliant to basically optimize banks and fintechs through their solutions. This is cool, guys. So you can use any fiat ramp, whether that is PayPal, Coinbase, MetalPay, or otherwise, to access all markets against a common USD pair. Quotes: how exactly have you built your app and exchange to address the high profile failures and fraud of other players in the crypto space? When we look at some of the things that went wrong in the past, we can see the centralized finance platforms. Crypto lending was a clear operational and regulatory nightmare. Cool. We can also see that the majority of centralized exchanges suffered from transparency around the order books. This is true, guys. The centralized exchanges, guys, most of them are having that solvency issue as well. They do not have your funds, basically. If every one of you goes and withdraws their account, you won't be able to do so. All the users come to an exchange and demand their funds be withdrawn, it becomes a nightmare for these centralized exchanges. Even banks, guys, a lot of these banks are insolvent. What more expansive applications beyond individual traders have you been envisioning and building with your technology? With Metal blockchain, we envision banks and fintechs launching their own private ledgers that can support USD as the native coin while talking to public chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is cool. Hainer, we are working with banking core service providers and fintechs to provide these enterprise services that can easily and rapidly be deployed at scale. What are your applications for MetalPay in the business world? We can foresee our corporate version of MetalPay becoming very popular as it directly integrates with our consumer-facing version to allow for instant payments. Guys, the payment sector and how slow it is at the moment, guys, it is horrendous. Even the banking sector, we need various solutions for these banks. I mean, they are outdated, their systems are outdated. We need blockchain to take us forward towards that efficiency, guys. What further enhancements do you foresee for the future? Where can blockchain technology take us? Anyways, we can envision the near future where traditional payment systems are upended and revolutionized through blockchain technology, and there is going to be interoperability and the integration between banks, CBDCs, and all of these stuff, guys. So we need a good infrastructure for that, and Metallicus aims to provide that. So, guys, what do you guys think about it? What do you guys think about XPR and Metallicus ecosystem trying to change the banking world and the corporate world? Do you think they will be successful? Meanwhile, there is criticism as well, like this. Let me show you. XPR increased supply up another billion from 28 billion to 29 billion. Total and max, two different things. I'm sure it's around 50 billion max, and the supply goes up. So many good cryptos around. It is reckless to invest our dollars here. So the answer to this question was given by a community member over here. If you could read and had a brain, you would see that inflation is spelled out, and now they're adding $500 million that was set at the beginning of the project 3 years ago. But you're blind. Your message equals FUD. So yeah, it's there are different perspectives. Obviously, we have to only invest in a project which we have conviction. Total and max, two different things. I'm sure it is around 50 billion max, and the supply goes up from staking rewards, among other things. I'm unsure of. It is inflationary, just like a few others out there. One being Ethereum, and if it is 50 billion, guys, even HBAR and XLM are 50 billion max. So no issue there. If it is capped, Ethereum is fantastic even though it does not have a fixed max supply. It was inflationary for a period, then deflationary for another, and once again inflationary. There is nothing wrong with that, and XPR will do just fine. So, yeah, what do you guys think about it? I would like your opinions. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.